The construction of a robust 26,000 square feet concrete driveway involves a lot of work and a lot of techniques. A solid foundation, a good grading, compaction on the soil and the gravel before the concrete goes. So we're using 3,000 psi to make high strength for durability and calcium for a fast curing. So this driveway we're about to start, it is in Springville, Alabama. The house sits on top of the hill. We're gonna start with the motor court, the garage, and we go around the house, right by our Jewish stone retaining wall we just built recently. And then we start going downhill. The driveway makes like kind of heart shape in the house in the top, meeting in the bottom, on the middle, and then going down all the way to the street is a long driveway. It has beautiful curves, some straights, and it will be nice. If you think about a driveway, concrete or brick pavers, that's our specialty, or retaining walls, please give us a call for a free quote, and I'll be happy to see what you got. Thank you very much.